Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll tackle an interesting problem involving bit manipulation. Specifically, we'll reverse the bits of a 16-bit unsigned short integer. This is a common operation in systems, programming, and binary arithmetic. Let's dive in. The problem requires us to reverse the binary bits of a given 16-bit unsigned integer. For example, if the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we reverse its binary digits and get a new integer as the output. This task involves manipulating individual bits, which is fundamental to low-level programming. This function works by processing each bit of the input number. We loop 16 times, since we are working with 16-bit integers. In each iteration, we extract the last bit of the number using num modulo 2. We append the bit to the result by shifting the result to the left. We then right shift the input number using matplotlib to process the next bit. Finally, the reverse binary is returned as an integer. Let's break this down step by step. First, we initialize the result to be 0. Second, we extract the last bit using num modulo 2. We then append the bit to the result by shifting left and adding the bit. Then we right shift the input number to remove the last bit. We repeat this process 16 times to reverse all bits. This approach ensures that the bits are accurately reversed. Let's walk through an example. For the input 12,345, the binary representation is 0011 000000111001. After reversing the bits, we get 100110000001100, which equals to 39,948 in decimal. This process applies to all 16-bit integers. The ES6 version improves efficiency by using bitwise operators. Instead of dividing by 2, we use the right shift operator to shift bits. Similarly, the left shift operator is used to append the extracted bits to the result. This version is faster and cleaner. To summarize, we reverse the bits of a 16-bit unsigned integer by extracting the bits one at a time, shifting them, and appending them to the result. We explored both ES5 and ES6 solutions, highlighting the use of bitwise operators for improved performance. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.